Say hello to the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, a groundbreaking all-in-one cooking system designed to make your meals easy, quick, and delicious. This compact powerhouse includes the Crispy Power Pod, 4-quart and 6-cup Tempware glass containers, and 2 leak-proof storage lids. Whether you're whipping up crispy snacks, baking a hearty meal, or re-crisping leftovers, this versatile system is here to simplify your kitchen routine. The Crispy Power Pod is the secret weapon behind this innovation. It delivers the full power of a traditional air fryer in a portable design that fits in the palm of your hand. The 2 glass containers, made of durable borosilicate glass, can handle it all. They're thermal shock resistant, meaning they can go straight from the freezer to frying in minutes. Use the 6-cup container for personal meals ready in just 7 minutes, or opt for the larger 4-quart size to cook an entire 4-pound chicken with vegetables. This isn't just an air fryer. The Ninja Crispi offers 4-in-1 functionality: Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp, giving you endless options to create culinary magic. Its fixed heat-safe feet make it safe for any countertop surface, whether granite, laminate, or butcher block. And thanks to its snap-lock lids, meal prepping and storing are stress-free. No spills, no mess, just fresh, flavorful food wherever you go. Cleaning up is just as easy as cooking. The containers, crisper plates, adapter, and lids are all dishwasher-safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Plus, the Power Pod and glassware nest together for effortless storage, saving space in your cabinets. The Ninja Crispi Air Fryer isn't just an appliance, it's your all-in-one cooking partner. From quick snacks to family dinners, it does it all with ease and style. Ready to simplify your cooking and elevate your meals. Give the Ninja Crispi a try today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips.